Hello, we're going to see how to program the remote control Freedom Micro USB 1-in-1, 2-in-1, 4-in-1 via PC. First, let's download the program. We have to go to the site superior-electronics.com and click on Remote Control Software. Here, we must pay attention to download the program from Micro USB Remote Controls, the one with the icon with a cable. Click on the download button. Then we open the setup file Superior USB. A window will open and we will click on Yes. The installation program will open. We click Forward until the program is installed. We then connect the small end of the USB cable to the remote control. And the other end to a PC USB port. At this point, we open the Superior software. The update message will appear. Click on it so that you get the latest version of the database. The interface is divided into 3 areas. The first is on the left, where we can select the memory bank that we want to program, 1, 2, or 4, depending on the model. They can be TV, decoder such as DTT, Sky, or Mediaset Premium, a DVD or Blu-ray player, or any other electronic device such as a soundbar, a hi-fi system, amplification system, and even a fan. The labeling on the left, TV, SAT, etc., are purely indicative. This means that any device can be freely programmed on all memories. For example, we can decide to install the DVD remote on the 1st or 4th memory. We select the brand and the device that interests us. We can type it in or look for it directly on the drop-down menu. For example, select Samsung. We then select the model. If we do not know the model, we can find it on the back of our device on the bottom right corner. In the very rare case when we do not find the code in the database, we will send an email to info@superior-electronics.com. The support team adds new codes to the database every day and usually replies to requests within 24 hours. At this point, we double-click on the model. The code will be added to the selected memory bank. Click Install. A summary table will appear stating remote control correctly programmed. An additional summary table will appear stating remote control correctly programmed that confirms the successful installation of the remote. For almost all models, Superior Electronics offers a PDF datasheet that explains how to use all the functions of the original remote control. Every day, new tabs are added to the database by the Superior team. In the case any programming error occurs, do not worry. A screen will appear with the kind of error and possible solutions. Often, it is enough to read those suggestions to solve the problem and complete the installation. Each type of error has a code which is visible in the upper right corner. In case you need further assistance, you should take note of this code on a piece of paper. If the problem persists, we have 2 options. We click on the troubleshooting button. We then land on a page of the website where we find a table. We look for the line corresponding to the codes we have taken note of, in order to read the cause in the central column and its solution in the right column. By clicking on the button Contact Us, we can send an email to the support team. To be helped in the best of ways, it is important to specify the error code in the email.